I am Emil. I am gonna do rainbow rain experiment.
Hi Emil.
Hi.
How are you?
I'm good.
Okay, so what we need for this experiment, Emil?
We need 1 cup of oil. Need green food coloring, yellow food coloring, and red food coloring and blue food coloring.
Okay.
Let's take the.
What else we need?
We need 1 glass of water.
Okay, got it.
Let's
okay.
get the oil and let's open the food coloring and twist. 1 drop, 2 drop, 3 drop.
Okay, so you are adding 3 drops of food color inside the oil. Okay.
Yeah. And open the red color and put 3 drops of food coloring.
Okay.
We need blue food coloring next.
Okay. One, two, 3. Okay, so you are adding 3 drops of each color. Okay.
And next green color. One, two, 3.
Okay. Good job.
And get the stick and mix it.
Okay.
Can you help me, mommy? It's not mixing,
Okay, so
mommy.
you need to mix it well. Okay. Okay.
And get
Okay.
the tumbler,
Glass of water.
and pour it inside. Will come rains. Says, you see? It will come rain. You see it's coming?
Let's wait. See, the blue color is coming down. It's raining.
It's raining.
Hey, good job, Emil. How many colors you are seeing? Okay, I see blue, red,
Green, yellow.
green. Wow, it's raining.
It can come some more colors.
Yeah. Wow.
It will come faster now.
This is awesome experiment, Emil.
This is come faster now.
Okay.
Is it coming down?
Yeah.
Here. It's here to go down. It's coming so much. You see?
Yeah, I can see it.
It's turning colors.
Yeah. See, all the food colors are separated from the oil.
Yeah.
And oil is floating above the water.
Yes.
Wow, this is awesome experiment, Emil. Thank you so much for the experiment.
You are welcome.
Bye-bye.
Bye-bye.